I tell you, this is Fran Capo here, the world's fastest talking female, and boy, have I never felt so glamorous in my life. I'm telling you, 20 layers of clothes, and I cannot move, but I'll be warm, hopefully, in the kayak. See you later.
Where's Nancy?
Come on,
No more laughing. You have to be serious.
but you're at Perth.
Serious.
Hey, Robert!
You're at Perth. You're at Perth.
That's
Come on.
it. What? Okay, now.
You're in Perth at the boat show.
Yeah, right.
Deception Bay,
Yeah.
and we're about to go kayaking.
You sure you're not deceiving me?
No, there's no deception here in Deception Bay.
Take one.
Yeah.
Well, there should be there's a bit of heads in there, so. Well, okay, well, that's what's happening with somebody who's.
Just having something.
Sunbathing down there. You look too cool, mate.
Formed by breaking off and forming the rivers.
Mostly the ice shelves, because the glaciers normally only a little bit.
Alright, so I might as well do a nice pose. Wait a minute.
Hang on.
Yeah. Okay, that's a real close-up. I can see right under your eye.
Okay.
You know the bags under your eyes, are you?
Yeah, really. Hey, take off everything. I'm not putting makeup on. I didn't realize bags were going to come this close also.
It was only for you,
Oh, thank
because you were there. It was either you or the seal.
Should we go see the seal now?
Oh, you couldn't tell the difference. Nice.
Okay, we're gonna go see the
We chose you.
I feel really...